I would like to order breakfast.
Good morning, sir. Room service. This is Andre. How can I help you? Could you tell your room number and your name, please?
My name is John Michael Gaston. My room is in 403.
What would you like to order, Sir Michael?
I would like to order a set of continental breakfast.
Okay, Sir Michael. Would you like to have a juice or coffee?
Orange juice, please.
Okay, Sir Michael. Would you like to have some tropical fruits?
Yes, sure.
Okay, sir. Would you like to do anything else?
No thanks, that's all.
Okay, sir. I may repeat your order. Your order is a set of a continental breakfast, a set of a tropical fruits, and orange juice. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
What time would you like to serve, sir?
Around 8 a.m., please.
Certainly, Sir Michael. Your order will be served at exactly 8 a.m. Have a nice day.
Okay, thanks.
Room service. Room service for Mr. Michael. Hey, Mr. Michael.
Yes, sure, please come in.
Here's your breakfast. Breakfast, sir.
Just put it there.
There's anything you need, Sir Michael?
No, that's all.
So, may I present your bill now, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. Here's your bill. Here's what you need to put the signature. This is the bill before you sign. Thank you, sir. Or you can just follow room service to get your plate, or you can just put it in outside. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Room service. Morning, sir. Can I get your plate?
Yes.
Sir Michael, is there anything you need?
No, thanks, that's all.
Okay, have a nice day, Sir Michael. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Michael.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.